So, kakauwi ko lang galing sa school. Nag-breakfast na ako. And, of course, matcha. May pasok pa ako mamayang 1:30, which is psych stat. Yun na yung last meeting namin doon before mag-prelim exams, which is tomorrow na. Wish me luck! Hello! Maaga kaming dinismiss para makapag-review na kami. Kasi exam na bukas, 8:30 a.m. Kailangan ko na mag-review. Kinakabahan na ka. Bago ako mag-review, gagawa muna ako ng matcha. Inabot na ako ng umaga kaka-review. And haggard na ako. Nag-decide na ako maligo bago matulog para ready na ako kaagad mamaya umalis. No, it's the next day. Ayan, natapos ko na yung psych stat like exam. Kaya uuwi na ako para mag-lunch at saka magpahinga. Time for Sextat Lab exam, which is computation. Tara na. Ready? After ng exams, meron akong appointment sa psychiatrist ko. Natamad na akong pumunta. Pero health comes first, and I made a promise that I will take good care of myself this time. Hello! After ng check-up ko kanina, uwi na ako kaagad. Tapos, natulog ako. Ay, may pasalubong ako. Helps to relieve motion sickness. Hello friends! Today is Monday, September 22 ba? I don't know. It's 4 o'clock. Nakatapos ko lang mag-exam sa foreign language or yung Spanish class. Madali lang siya. Natapos lang siya in 30 minutes. Sana ganun din sa Sextat, no? Yung next na exam ko is sa Thursday pa. Yung scores proficiency. Hindi ko alam kung anong next na gagawin ko. 12:14 p.m. And nakauwi na ako. Nakakain na rin ako ng lunch. Plan ko is... Ulit, ano ba? Plan ko ngayon is matulog. Magpahinga. Dahil tapos na ang prelims. Bye.
Pa?
No. Hello everyone! Wala kaming pasok. Perfect kasi nakatapos lang ng exams. Kaya parang binigay yung day na to for rest day. Plan ko ngayon is mamalengke, bumili ng mga gulay para meron mga healthy options dito sa bahay. Alam niyo, to be honest, lagi ako anxious kapag pumupunta sa palengke. I mean, in general, anxious talaga ako kapag bumibili. Kahit bumibili lang na kahit ano. Or anything that involves human interaction. I know it sounds silly or funny, pero yun, I'm a really anxious girl and I'm trying to overcome this kasi it's a basic activity in order for people to survive. Ayun. Kaya I will stop procrastinating and I will get ready now. I'm ready to go. Dear Diary, you know how they say that there's always a rainbow after the rain? Well, it's true if you choose to find it, or better yet, create it. I am just so glad that I stayed a little longer, because now I get to see the most beautiful rainbow smiling back at me. Hi, this is a little message for you. I hope you paint your life with so much gratitude and endless hope until you end up with the most spectacular rainbow you've ever seen.